Can you close the Explorer, the file Explorer, so that you have the entire screen? Yeah. So in this code, what you have a main function, right? And in the main function, you are asking for name as an input, and that main function in turn calls hello function with the name variable. Then you have definition of hello function, which stores a value in two variable. So any value that you pass from name variable, right? And then it prints hello and two. And then finally, you are calling the first function, main function, in line number 7. So that's how it all works. Earlier, you had this code, but you did not had code where you were calling main function. So you need to initiate that sequence. So main program calls main function, and main function calls the hello function. It's kind of a function calling another function, right? So that's something that is good. Maybe once you understand the function, I don't know if he's going to cover recursive function, where a function can call itself. So like, for example, you have hello function, you can have another line which calls itself, but then it can go in a loop, because you have to have a termination clause when you have to really terminate. That's a recursive function. We'll come to that, but right now this is good. All right, any questions?
No.
Okay.
Which has the effect of running this code up here, which has the effect of running this code down here, and it allows me, therefore, to organize my file and order my functions in any way I want, including main at the very top, and solving, ultimately, that problem of Python not knowing what's going on. And there's one final flourish we can add here. Now that we've implemented hello, you'll notice that hello